Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
The Flash Fill feature lets you automatically fill in values within a column with information entered into an adjacent column. This feature is most useful when dealing with data that has a consistent data entry pattern in the column whose values are referenced by the second Flash Filled column. For example, if you had a column that contained the first and last names of employees, you could enter the last name of an employee into an adjacent column, and then use Flash Fill to fill in the corresponding values of all the last names of the employees within the column. This can greatly reduce your dependence on text parsing formulas within Excel. To flash fill a column of information, click into a cell within a column that is next to or contiguous to the column that contains data to retrieve. Then enter the data value to extract from the adjacent cell into the cell within the column to flash fill. Then click into the next cell above or below the cell into which you entered the value. Then either press Ctrl+E on your keyboard, or click the Data tab in the ribbon, and then click the Flash Fill button in the Data Tools button group. Excel then extracts all the corresponding data values from the adjacent column to fill in the cells in the current column. When using the Flash Fill feature, the referenced data column can be non-adjacent as long as there is contiguous column data between the Flash Filled column and the referenced column. Basically, this means that you can't have an empty or blank column between the Flash Filled column and the referenced column. If there are empty or blank columns, then Excel displays a message box that tells you it cannot find a pattern in the adjacent data. Another interesting point about using Flash Fill is that it references the casing of the entry you make in the Flash Filled column and repeats that pattern when filling in the remaining values. For example, if you add an adjacent cell with the value John Doe, capitalized J and capitalized D, and then you enter Doe, all lowercase, into the next column for the Flash Fill entry, then all the other flash filled values would also use all lowercase last name entries. So it is worth noting that Flash Fill is case sensitive, and you can use it to change the casing of referenced values in the Flash Filled column. Another point to note is that Flash Fill works best when referencing values that have a consistent data entry pattern. For example, if referencing values in a column where some names have a prefix and some have a middle name and some have a suffix, Flash Fill may parse the incorrect information from the fields it references when it fills in the column's values. So make sure to double check the values that are returned by the Flash Fill feature. If this is the case, you can undo or delete the entries made by the Flash Fill feature and then try to use the traditional text parsing functions in Excel to extract the needed values instead. Also, after you flash fill a column, a small icon appears next to the flash filled values. You can click the drop-down arrow on this icon to display a menu of choices. You can select the Undo Flash Fill command to undo an unsuccessful flash fill attempt. You can select the Accept Suggestions command to accept the flash fill changes. You can select the Select Blank Cells and Select Changed Cells commands to select the blank cells or changed cells within the flash filled column.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.